you suffer from gastritis? Do you know what natural medicines can help you alleviate it? Gastritis can be caused by viruses, parasites, fungi, stress, steroid ingestion, spicy foods, anti-inflammatory, and other things. People who suffer from gastritis need some special care when eating. You have to avoid excesses, eat light foods that are easily digested, drink plenty of water, and eat bread slices or water crackers to alleviate the pain. Also, recipes of teas for gastritis are super useful. Let's see some plants that help alleviate the discomfort. Brazilian pepper tree tea. A good tea for gastritis is the Brazilian pepper tree. This plant contains analgesic, anti-inflammatory, depurative, and anti-acid properties that are efficient against gastritis and ulcers, since they reduce stomach acidity and help fight the bacteria H. pylori. To make it, you need 3 or 4 pieces of Brazilian pepper tree bark and 34 ounces of water. Combine the bark and water in a pot and let it boil for 10 minutes. Let the tea cool down a bit and drink it throughout the day in place of water. Don't forget to maintain a healthy, light diet. Chard tea. You can consume chard in other ways than stir-fried or in a salad. Chard has a high nutritional value and is a good homemade medicine against gastritis, helping eliminate toxins from the blood. Write down the ingredients. 1.76 ounces of chard leaves and 34 ounces of water. Put the chard inside a pot with 34 ounces of water and let it boil for 10 minutes. Let the tea cool down a bit and drink 3 times a day, following a light, healthy diet. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Apple and chamomile tea. Choose a fresh red apple since they are less acid than green ones. This is a soothing tea that helps alleviate the burning sensation of gastritis. To make it, you need 1 small fresh apple, 1 spoonful of dried chamomile, and 17 ounces of water. Rinse the apple, then peel and slice it. Add it to the water and put it on the stove. Once it starts boiling, add the chamomile. Wait a few minutes, then turn off the heat. Let it sit until warm. Strain and pour into a glass jar. Drink 2 doses in the morning at room temperature. And lastly, an herbal blend with complementary properties that help alleviate gastritis. Write down the ingredients. A handful of Matennis ilicifolia, a small handful of common nasturtium, 1 small piece of strychnodendron, 17 ounces of water. Combine all ingredients in a pot and boil for 5 minutes. Drink 1 cup of this tea cold 3 to 4 times a day in small breaks between meals. Now tell us, did you know any of these teas for gastritis already? Remember that to treat gastritis, you need to follow all orientations of your doctor, such as changes in your diet and the use of certain medications. Follow these steps to avoid worsening your gastritis, which may develop into other complications, like ulcers or cancer. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.